Computer generations. Generation in a computer talk provides a framework for growth of computer industry based on key technologies developed. So the generation means the evolution. That means we are living in a generation that is first generation. Then our children will be second generation. Then we will become grandparents. Then it will be our third generation. So generation is a computer talk which provides a framework for growth of computer industry based on key technologies developed. The custom of referring to a computer era in terms of generation came into wide use only after 1964. So after 1964, this custom, that means ritual, the ritual of referring to a computer era in terms of generation came into wide use. There are totally 5 computer generations known until today. Below, we described each generation along with its identifying characteristics. So, there are totally 5 generations until of computer until now. First generation 1942 to 1955. So this was year in which first generation was uh, starting, or the computers first generation is era is considered. The early computers and other of their time were manufacturing using vacuum tubes as electronic switching devices. So vacuum tubes were electronic switching devices these were that were used in those computers. These vacuum tube computers could perform computation in milliseconds and were known as first generation computers. So these computers could perform computations in milliseconds, and they were also called as first generation of computers. Since machine and assembly languages are difficult to work with, only few specialists understood how to program these early computers. So programming was not evolving in that case, because assembly languages were difficult to work with in those computers which were using vacuum tubes in the first generation. So programming was not evolved that much in that first generation. Second generation, it was from 1955 to 1964. John Bardeen, William Shockley, and Walter Brattain invented a new electronic switching device called transistor. So transistor evolved these computers performances at Bell Laboratories in year 1947. Transistors soon proved to be a better electronic switching device than vacuum tubes. So vacuum tubes were also switching devices, but transistors were faster than those vacuum tubes. Second generation computers were manufacturing using transistors. They were more powerful, more reliable, less expensive, smaller, and cooler to operate than the first generation computers. So second generation computers with uh, which were evolved with transistors, they were more powerful, more reliable. They were less expensive because vacuum tubes were expensive. Then they were smaller, that means transistors were smaller than vacuum tubes, and cooler to operate than the first generation of computers. And cooler means they were producing less heat. The second generation also experienced a change in storage technology. Memory of second generation computer was composed of magnetic cores. So magnetic cores means the storage devices that were hard drives. In those era they were magnetic cores. Magnetic cores are small rings made of ferrite that can be magnetized in either clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. So data were stored in those magnetic cores. Now, in year 1957, researchers introduced magnetic tape as faster and more convenient secondary storage medium. Later, magnetic disk storage was also developed, and magnetic disk and magnetic tape were the main secondary storage media used in second generation computers. Users still used punch cards widely for preparing and feeding program to the data program data to a computer.